everybody, and welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to show you a really useful feature in Studio One 5 which they've added a couple of versions ago. Now, the problem. We've all been there, hammering away at the keyboard and something sounds great and then you can't replicate it and it's lost forever. Or you record in a take and forgot to hit record altogether. Not that I've ever done that. This has been solved by a feature called Retrospective Recording. Essentially what this does is record in the background per track, even if you haven't hit the record button. Like I said, extremely useful and something I've just used myself while working on this project. So I thought I'd put this out there for anyone who has the same problem. Right, how does this work? Well, it's incredibly simple. On the track inspector, you can see a new line that says Retrospective Recording. If you don't see this, you can get to it by hitting the inspector button up there. Currently it's greyed out, which means it hasn't stored anything at the moment, but when I start playing something it will turn red. This means it has buffered whatever you did and you can get it back even if you weren't recording. Simple. All you need to do is click the button and it will bring the recording back from the buffer, and the button will turn grey again, indicating it's empty once more. So let me demonstrate this and it will become clear. Okay, so here I've played a piece and forgot to hit the record button and it looks like it hasn't recorded anything, but as you can see over here, the retrospective recording button is now red. All I need to do to bring that back is click that button and there it is. Studio One puts it right back in the track for you to listen to. So let's have a quick listen and see if it got it right. Perfect, that's all there is to it. This is Retrospective Recording in Studio One 5, and hopefully this piece I'm doing now, I'm going to keep working on it and you should see it on the channel within the next couple of weeks. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, always good to hear from you, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye bye.